So how do you update the Google Chrome on an Android device? So let me explain it and talk to you about it. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course I have the Google Chrome to be, it is part of my Google folder. I can get inside and use it, but in order to see if there are any updates available, I can go to the Play Store where I get the apps usually, of course, and go to the search and just look it up right there. So I can see the Google Chrome, it's telling me that it's installed and I can open it up, so it should be running the latest version, right? So that's how you can manage it. Outside of that, you can as well click on your profile picture in the top and go to the manage apps and device, and you can as well see the updates, right? So all apps are up to date, so it's all fine. I can check for the updates, right? But it's also important to make sure that you are signed in with a proper account. So you might be using different Google accounts. Like if I switch to a different one like this, right? Or if I click on it and choose to switch the account, I will have the ability to kind of like sign in with a different one and perhaps see the updates differently for another account. So that might be something which you should also do, like try switching to another one to see if the updates are any different. But that is like the general blueprint behind it, and then that's how you can update your Google Chrome in the Android phone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.